Alright, well, I was looking all over the internet trying to find a review on this Klipsch ProMedia Lumina. Haven't been able to find any reviews other than people that were chosen to receive a free one, so they're all fake reviews. To set up my tripod and my camera, I haven't made a video on YouTube in a very long time. But it should be a little worthwhile. So we're going to unbox this here and see what we got. Get this baby out of here. Now, I'm just recording this on my Canon R10, so not using a GoPro or anything. Move that out of the way. And there we are. Should focus, but alright. Let's cut this box open here. Again, I apologize, it's been a long time since I've recorded a video, but power wire here on the top. Owner's manual here. And we got some foam. USB-C cable. And more cardboard. More foam. And speaker number 1 and number 2 info. My room here is a little small. Still have a lot to work with. Let's open this up. Seems like there's a box at the bottom. Assuming that's the cable there. It sure is. And first look. There's the lighting on the back. USB-C cable port. Got a box here. Looks like it secures the cabling. Number 1. And the buffer tape number 2. Speaker number 2. It's supposed to swivel. Let's get this cable out of here. You need 2 hands. Alright. This cable there. This one's got a button on here with a gear on it. I'll have to figure out what that means. Other reviews, I have not seen that button. Nobody has ever shown anybody. So I'll have to look at the instructions on that. But I have seen videos with the power button here. Volume up and volume down. People were saying that it didn't have any buttons on it. So that was a lie. I know the older model used to have the 2 little dials on the front. These have no dials on the front. So you got the 2 speakers. And here's the subwoofer. If I can tilt down a little bit more here. Sorry. Hope that doesn't go down any further. Move further away. More garbage. Got some plastic feet here. Oh, hard rubber. You want to poke the speaker here. So we got a sub power gauge here, USB-C, auxiliary, right speaker, left speaker, and power wire. "6.5" sub. Here's your port. Nothing else. Klipsch. Yeah. Alright, well, let's set this up and see how it sounds. Alright, well, we have everything set up. We got one speaker there to the left. Everybody can change however they want. And the other speaker over there for the right. And move them around a little bit and adjust them later. And then straight down, we got our subwoofer. So, we're going to play a little bit of whipped cream. Guess nobody knows what it is. So you can hear how it sounds. The volume's at 50. And we'll turn it up a little bit. So this is 60. I gotta let go. It's time to go. We'll turn up a little bit louder. You can hear the vocals. Them's at 70. This is 76. It's time to go home. 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 So if you don't like the song, it's time to go home. You can hear the bass. It's time to go home. And the bass is at maybe 50%. Yeah, it goes a bit louder than that. I was only at 70, so like I said, I haven't made a video in a long time. We're in a new house, so everything is all kind of set up here. But hope anybody watching enjoyed.